friends, welcome back to my channel Techno Education Academy. In this video lecture, we will discuss general riding principle MCQs. So the first question is, which of the following should be done continuously while driving a vehicle? So there are four options: checking level of fuel tank, assessing road condition ahead, assessing vehicle, and option D, making a visual check for all controls. So the correct answer is while driving, assessing road condition ahead. It is a right answer. Question number 2. While driving, avoid. Option A, reacting to wrong behavior of other drivers. Yes, it is a right answer. Option B, getting distracted by hoardings. It is also true. So the correct answer is option C, both. And question number 3. Driving is a repetition of three things. Which are they in correct order? Right answer is C, think and do. Driving is a repetition of the three things: see, think and do. Question number 4. You start to feel tired while driving. What should you do? So, but obvious. Okay, you need to take a rest at proper place. So the right answer is stop at a safe place to rest. Question number 5. You should only use a mobile phone when receiving a call. No. While driving, you cannot receive a call. The vehicle is stationary and parked suitably. Right. Okay. Whenever your vehicle is stationary, it is not in motion, or it is parked, at that time you can receive the phone, or you can pick up the phone. So the right answer is option B. Question number 6. While driving a car properly, adjusted head restraint will. So we know that head restraint will provide support to the neck. So the right answer is help you to avoid neck injury. Question number 7. To help concentration on long journey, you should stop frequently and have a rest. Question number 8. What is mean by defensive driving? So defensive driving means being alert and thinking ahead. So the right answer is option A. Question number 9. To drive on the road, learner must have learning license. Okay, must have a valid learner license. So the right answer is option C. Question number 10. Which of the following types of eyeglasses should not be worn when driving at night? Half moon glass, round glass, bifocal glass, or tinted glass. So this is the image of tinted glass. So while driving at night, we should not be worn tinted glass during driving at night. Question number 11. Your overall stopping distance will be much longer when driving in rain, in fog, at night, in strong winds. So we know that, okay, in a rain, okay, our vehicle will skid. Okay, so the stopping distance will be much longer in rain. Question number 12. What is the best way to prevent fatigue when driving? So the right answer is option B, to stop for rest. Question number 13. In what situations are other drivers allowed to flash their headlights at you? So the right answer is to warn of their presence. Okay, when another driver, okay, they will flash, okay, their headlights. Okay, so it will represent to warn you for their presence. Question number 14. When driving at sunset or dawn on a dark day, what should you do? So turn your lights on low beam. This is the right answer. Question number 15. At road junctions, which of the following are most vulnerable? Option A, motorcyclist. Option B, cyclist. Option C, pedestrians. And option D, all of the above. So motorcyclists, cyclists and pedestrians, they all are most vulnerable while crossing the junction. Okay, so the right answer is option D. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope this information it will be helpful to you. If you would like to watch this type of more technical videos, then please subscribe our channel and also share with your friends.